So now let's see how we can work around with Post Carousel Block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to add in Post Carousel Block right here, I'm going to go ahead in between two blocks right here, just like this, until I see the plus button, and then click on the plus button right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and say, let's say for example, carousel block right here. So I'm just going to type in post and then carousel, and you can see that I have the post carousel right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you get a carousel of the post that you have. You can increase the number of items right here, just like this as well, and change around everything else, and choose the slide aspect ratio as well by 16 by 9, 3 by 4, 19 by 9 by 6, and so forth, as you can see, just like this as well. You can also show up categories as you want, and show like featured images and so forth right here, just like this as well, and change the projects, pages, testimonials, draft, and schedule, as you can see, just like this as well. So this is what you have, and then you can get the carousel of your post right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and then go around over into a line, we can go it out and change it into wide, or make it full width, or align it to the center, and so forth. I can go ahead and click around on the save button, and then I can go ahead and view the post right here, just like this, and I can see the carousel right here, just like this, one after another. And that is how you can work around with the Post Carousel Block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.